Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Vengeance Jones from Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 1. So let's go in here at the top. Let's get Jonesy's hair in. So he's got that chunky hair again, kind of like a chunky crop on his head. So it's going to pop, I feel like little sort of zigzaggy waves going on there. Then I'm going to do 2 lines down, 1, 2, join that up. That's the side of his head there. And then I'm going to do 2 ears, so just like one there. What let's do is chunky jaw, so I'm going to do another line either side like that. And we're just going to join that up in the middle like so, okay? Let's go in and just pop in a little bit of a neck, just a couple of tiny lines like that, okay? And then it's got like a rounded neck on, a jumper, so it's going to do a curve around like that. I'm just going to draw another little curve underneath just to sort of show his scarf there, and then just sort of join up that area there, okay? Just going to pop his coat in now, so the collar of his coat kind of comes around from sort of like the upper part of the jaw like that. Same on this side too, so just go around like there, and then we're just going to do a little triangle like that, a little triangle like that, okay? Then we'll just bring that down and taper that into about here. Same on this side, bring that down, taper that into about there. Okay, let's just pop that scarf in. So we started it here, so I'm going to do just a line down here, a line down there, and then we'll just do another little wave underneath just to show that there. Then what we'll do is the edges of his coat, and we'll just go a bit further down where his scarf will go. So I'm just going to do a line from that scarf down with the jacket down to about there. Same on the other side, so start here, just go down to about there, okay? That's at the end of his coat and also his scarf. So if we just go to about there and there, we're going to do the rest of the scarf, the other side of it. So just bring that down like that there. Same on this side, just bring that down like that. What we'll do here is just cap it off a bit, and I'm just going to put a couple of lines, a few sort of 5 lines or so, just to show the end of the scarf there, okay? Alright, so the end of his coat is about there, so I'm just going to do a line, like a slight curve there and there to show his coat. It's got a couple of pockets at the end of his coat, so I'm just going to do like a little oblong sticking out there, and a little oblong sticking out there, and just join that up with a line, and just join the lines up there. Little curve up to there, little curve up to there, and then we can pop his shoulders in. It's got a bit of a shoulder pad on this side, so I'm just going to pop like a little bit of a square just popping out there, whereas this side just kind of comes down, so this side will just go out there, and then we'll just make that go down to about there. This side we can do the same now on here, so we can just go down to stop there. Pop the rest of the arm in, so I'm just going to go from about here, just like down like that, same here, down like that. Just join these bits up here with the arms, okay? Cool. A couple of lines there, just show the end of that. It's got a little triangle there, and pop a little strap there, and the same kind of goes here, so just going to join that up there, and then we're just going to pop a couple of lines in here. Let's get his hands in, so I'm just going to do curve around where his thumb is here, and curve around where his thumb is there, and then just going to do his hand from his wrist area there, so down, around, up, and then same on this side, down, around, up. Alright, and then we'll just close those gaps right there, okay? His kind of jumper probably goes a bit of a diagonal here, so I'm just going to do a diagonal line there. pop a little line there. Just do, it's got quite sort of tight trousers, so I'm just going to draw a line down there to the knee and then out. And this side, just going to go halfway, so down to about there. And then we'll just put a little pad in, so a couple of lines down, and we'll just match those up like a bit of a hexagon. And pop a triangle in the middle there. That can kind of just meet up in there. And then the trousers will come out again, so just a couple of little curves around here. I'm going to put a square and a rectangle area there, just to show the sort of boots he's got on. And then I'm going to put a heel in there for his shoe. We'll just come around like that. Just draw a sole. This side's the same. Just draw a heel. Go around like that. Alright. Cool. Okay, let's get those glasses in on the head there. So let's just draw like a line there and a line there. Okay, those are the edges of the glasses, and then a line there and a line there. Get those shades on for Jones. Join them up. Just pop a bit of the hair in that he's got, so I'm just going to have that kind of curved like hair. It's like choppy, cropped hair he's got. Pop that over to the side there. Just do a little curve for his nose there. I might just draw the bridge of his nose a little bit there. Then I think what we'll do is we'll just get a smaller pen. Just going to put his mouth in, so it's just going to this Jones is a bit more serious, so I'm just going to do a little bit of a flat line there, maybe just a little bit, show the lip, that area there. And we can colour that part of his glasses in like that. Leave a little bit of white at the top area just to show the light bouncing off there. Jones has got quite angled eyebrows, so I'm just going to do like a little triangle up, down, sort of B, just to show his eyebrows there as well. Okay, it's got a bit of stubble, and I think what I might do is just pop a few little sort of stubble lines in just around there, just a few little dots to show that off. So we'll just pop some stubble there, just a little bit, show a little bit of the moustache, not too much. Yeah, that's cool. Alright. He's got some dog tags here as well, so let's just swap back to the other pen. Just a couple of rectangles overlaid. Kind of got a belt on here, so I'm just going to do two lines, just one there and one here, just going sort of underneath that tag. And then he's got another kind of belt here, so I'm just going to do another line up here, and then just a rectangle there, and then we'll just join that up like that there. Let's get that smaller pen again now. Just going to do some rounded dots just to show these tags. Let's just show a little bit of the detail on his coat. So he's got some kind of V areas like that. Do the other side as well. And up here, showing the design off there. And then the edge of his jacket too. So he's got, I'm just going to do like that piping. So he's that smaller pen. Just kind of trace around the edge of that jacket. Going to leave a gap either side of there at the moment, and then we'll just join up. This line here can go straight up there, that can join up there, this line straight up there, and that up to there. His scarf's got a bit of a pattern too, so I'm just going to put a couple of lines in, like sort of hatching. Do the other side too, just a little bit. Of that. Same here where the scarf area is, we'll just pop some in, just gives it like a bit of texture. And there is a bit of line piping on his jumper, so I'm just gonna put a few little lines in, like just to show his jumpers there underneath. This area's got a bit of a clip as well, so I'm just gonna kind of just put a couple of lines there. Again, this jacket, maybe not so much, I'll maybe just show a hint. Just put a couple of lines in just to show that hint there. And his shoes we've not done much with yet. So, I'm just going to do the heel, that, and then I'm just going to do some marks over, just some curves, just to show that there. Gloves, just gonna pop a couple of sort of little circles in just to show where we can put his thumbs. He's got a couple of badges on as well, so I'm gonna put a circle there and a circle there. And then his jeans are a little bit scuffed, so just gonna put a couple of dashes in. I'm gonna sort of scuff his trousers up a bit. Alright. I think the only other thing I'd like to do there now is where it comes to his edge of his jeans is just sort of join up these areas like that. So that's looking pretty cool. Right. Just put a line in behind him, sort of ground him. That's cool. I think that's the line work for Jonesy done. Let's go in and just get a skin colour first of all. I'm just going to pop in where the thumbs are. Just a little bit of skin there, and then just around face area. And there, I'm just going to leave his stubble because I'm going to get, I think, a slightly darker skin tone just to show that. That's all that you need there, I think, for that one. Then maybe just a little bit of a darker kind of skin tone there, and we'll just fill in around here. Shows that skin colour there, and then where the shade is, that can just go under there. Then I think what we can do is maybe use that same colour, I think, for his jacket. So I'm just going to pop in that colour, just go right up here, around there, right up here. Use that tone as well. And then just go in the inner parts of his jacket here. That's cool. The finer point right there. Nice, okay. Now we're just going to get like a grayer colour, a sort of grayer kind of skin tone, just so it contrasts is sort of a little bit more pinky, and I think that'll just help where we've done that piping. We'll just colour that in, and it just makes it a slightly different tone. Nice. Just all around there. Oh yeah, these little bits too. And I think that's okay. I might just colour that bit there. Just around here too. And then we'll just do the cuffs of that jacket too. Around there. We'll just make that bit darker, sort of shaded as well. Alright, great, okay. Let's get a nice bit of colour for the jeans now. So just going to grab a blue colour for those jeans. Just colour those legs in. Yeah, that's good. Then I think just get a bit of a brown basically, and I'm just going to fill in these bits around here. think now what I'll do is get a grey colour. Let's just pop in grey gloves. And then I think his jumper is, let's just fill that grey into here, it's quite dark. Jumper that he's got on. I think those trainers as well, some of that is grey, so I'm just going to colour in the bottom area of that first of all. These bits can be grey, and then the bits that go over, let's just colour those too. Yeah. And this pad here can be grey. There's other little bits. Jumper, let's have a look. Let's just get, maybe that bit can be brown. Maybe that can be brown there too. And maybe I'll just get that blue colour and just, sorry, that grey again. Let's just fill in there. And then we'll just use slightly darker blue, just to kind of pop up the tags and that kind of belt. Just a little bit in the glasses and just sort of show, deepen it a little bit, just sort of show a little blue shining off. And then on the jeans, we can just sort of add a bit of shading, just give it a bit of depth, and then we can just pop in a little bit here where it kind of is a bit scuffed. Yeah, that's nice. Let's just go back to that lighter blue. I'm just going to pop little badge in there, a bit of blue there, and then I'll get yellow for Jonesy's hair and also that badge, and then just pop that yellowy colour in just a little bit on the top, and pop those eyebrows in with the yellow there. He's also got a little bit of sort of yellow accent just on boots. I'm just going to pop some yellow just around there. And then nice bit of colour pop for Jonesy now, just get a nice red. Let's colour that scarf in. Colour that. That's better. That's looking good now. Nice bit of red. Also some red going on, just a couple of little dots of red on those badges. Okay, that's that bit of detail. Now, I think I might use that red accent pop just down here, just on the back, and it'll go nicely with the rest of the picture we've done. Here we go. Yeah, that's cool. Sort of red flooring we've got there. Okay, right, I think that's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And that is Vengeance Jones. So let's get that in there. Vengeance Jones on Art Draw. Thanks for watching.